Looker Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Looker Dropshipping and related tools are in the description. Let's dive into what Looker Dropshipping offers, its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's right for you. Looker Dropshipping is a data-driven e-commerce solution designed for dropshippers who want deep analytics, automation, and optimization in one place. It integrates with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon, helping sellers track product performance, monitor trends, and refine strategies with AI-powered insights. Features: Looker Dropshipping provides real-time analytics, allowing you to track sales, conversion rates, and supplier performance in one dashboard. It offers automated product research, identifying high-demand, low-competition items using AI. It also includes dynamic pricing tools that adjust prices based on competition and market trends. Another key feature is order fulfillment automation, syncing directly with suppliers to reduce manual work. Additionally, the platform offers marketing insights, helping you optimize ad spend and targeting based on real customer data. Strengths: One of its biggest strengths is advanced data analytics, giving dropshippers real-time insights to improve decision-making. AI-driven product research saves time by identifying winning products automatically. Automated order processing streamlines fulfillment, reducing errors and improving efficiency. The integration with multiple marketplaces makes it a versatile choice, allowing sellers to expand across platforms seamlessly. Finally, marketing optimization tools help maximize profitability by fine-tuning ad strategies. Weaknesses: Despite its advantages, Looker Dropshipping isn't perfect. Pricing can be high, making it less accessible for beginners. Data-heavy interfaces may feel overwhelming for those unfamiliar with analytics tools. While it automates a lot, it doesn't eliminate the need for manual intervention. You still need to monitor trends, adjust strategies, and optimize campaigns. Lastly, it relies on third-party integrations, meaning occasional sync issues could arise. That final verdict: Looker Dropshipping is best suited for serious dropshippers who want data-driven decision-making and automation. If you rely on gut instinct or want a simple plug-and-play tool, this might not be the best fit. However, if you're looking for deep analytics, automation, and smarter scaling, Looker Dropshipping is a strong choice. Links to the platform are in the description. Check it out and see if it fits your business.